All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the Quintez Cephas full size. This is number 2. Let me just get the rest of the page in here. Right, there we go. So we'll check the time, June 24th at 9:08 p.m. We're going to go over to the Raz and type live. We have June 24th at 9:08 p.m. There is the list of our 18 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 8. All right, 8 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is David. Spot 7 is your winner. So David, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code. Our timestamp, once again, June 24th, 9:09 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.